Look guys, look at that perfect sear. Look at that crunch. Here you guys go. This is the perfect pan-fried dumplings. Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to perfectly fry pan-fried dumplings or gyoza from frozen. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these frozen dumplings. I'm using beef Korean dumplings that I got from Galleria. So we're just gonna place the frozen dumplings onto a pan that is piping hot. And we're just gonna layer them so that they're all separated. And if the dumplings are stuck together, just unstick them first. So we got what, about 8 here? Oh, I got actually 9. So it's gonna be perfect. So, oops. Good. Okay, so once they're all on the pan, that's actually perfect. Once they're there, we're gonna pour some water there. Just enough to kind of coat the bottom. And then from there, we're gonna let it steam. So I'm gonna place I have a tin foil here. We're just gonna place it over, okay? And then let it steam until all the water is evaporated. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes now. I'm just gonna peel this out. Perfect. So see how the water is evaporated? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some canola oil, and all we're gonna do is we're going to place it just here. Make sure that the pan is nicely coated with oil. And then from here, after we steamed it, we're going to pan sear or pan fry these dumplings till they get a nice golden crisp around the bottom. This guy right here. And we're actually not gonna touch these dumplings right now. We're just gonna let it sear still. Whew, getting nice golden crisp around the edges. All right, so they've been cooking for a little while now, so we're just gonna check. Oh, baby, 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 baby. That is the perfect sear. Transfer them over here. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. Oh man. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just gonna help to plate this right now. So, maybe this is better actually, plated. Woo. All right guys, I got the dumplings here, fresh out of the pan, all nice and sear. I laid them out like this. Take a look guys, look at that perfect sear. Look at that crunch. Here you guys go. This is the perfect pan-fried dumplings. Now, I'm just gonna try one before it gets cold. Actually, sorry guys. Take the first bite. Take it first bite, guys. Oh my god. You guys hear the crunch? Mmm. Mmm. Guys, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below. I really wanted to hear you guys' thoughts. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. All right, peace guys.